Al Capone, full name Al Gabriel Capone, was born and brought up in the U.S. Capone was an American gangster and a businessman, also known and recognized by his nickname Scarface. He was the co-founder and the boss of the Chicago Outfit, a mafia gang. Here are the most popular quotes of Al Capone. Public service is my motto. Now I know why tigers eat their young. Hell must be a pretty swell spot, because the guys that invented religion have sure been trying hard to keep everybody else out. I have always been opposed to violence, to shootings. I have fought, yes, but fought for peace. Capitalism is the legitimate racket of the ruling class. I am like any other man. All I do is supply or demand. I am just a businessman, giving the people what they want. All I ever did was supply a demand that was pretty popular. Prohibition has made nothing but trouble. I am sick and tired of publicity. I want no more of it. It puts me in a bad light. I just want to be forgotten. I've lost $1.5 million on the horses and dice in the last 2 years. And the funny part is, I still like them, and if someone handed me another $1 million, I'd put it right in the nose of some horse that looked good to me. I believe I can take credit for the peace that now exists in the racket game in Chicago. I believe that the people can thank me for the fact that gang killings here are probably a thing of the past. Bolshevism is knocking at our gates, we can't afford to let it in. We must keep America whole and safe and unspoiled. A crook is a crook, and there's something healthy about his frankness in the matter. But any guy who pretends he is enforcing the law and steals on his authority is a swell snake. A hard-working crook will and can get those birds by the dozen, but right down in his heart he won't depend on them, hates the sight of them. What do you want to do? Get yourself killed before you are 30. You'd better get some sense while a few of us are left alive. The worst type of these punks is the big politician. You can only get a little of his time because he spends so much time covering up that no one will know that he is a thief. Every time a boy falls off a tricycle, every time a black cat has grey kittens, every time someone stubs a toe, every time there's a murder or a fire or the Marines land in Nicaragua, the police and the newspapers holler, "Get Capone." Don't ever talk to me about the honor of police captains or judges. If they couldn't be bought, they wouldn't have the job. They talk about me not being legitimate. Nobody's on the legit, you know that, and so do they. Nobody's really on the legit when it comes down to cases. I got nothing against the honest cop on the beat. You just have them transferred someplace where they can't do you any harm. Those who work with me are afraid of nothing. Those who work for me are kept faithful, not so much because of their pay as because they know what might be done with them if they broke faith. People who respect nothing dread fear. It is upon fear, therefore, that I have built up my organization. You can do more with a kind word and a gun than with just a kind word. The country wanted booze and I organized it. Why should I be called a public enemy? Some call it bootlegging, some call it racketeering. I call it a business. It seems like I'm responsible for every crime that takes place in this country. Once you're in the racket, you're always in it. Don't let anybody kid you into thinking I can be run out of town. I haven't run yet and I'm not going to. I have spent the best years of my life giving people the lighter pleasures, helping them have a good time, and all I get is abuse, the existence of a hunted man. They can't collect legal taxes from illegal money. If people did not want beer and wouldn't drink it, a fellow would be crazy for going around trying to sell it. The parasites will trail you, begging for money and favors, and you can never get away from them no matter where you go. I'm the boss. I'm going to continue to run things. Why not treat our business like any other man treats his, as something to work at in the daytime and forget when he goes home at night? It's pretty tough when a citizen with an unblemished record must be hounded from his home by the very policemen whose salaries are paid, at least in part, from the victim's pocket. They've been putting the Roscoe on me for a good many years and I'm still healthy and happy. You might say that every policeman in Chicago gets some of his bread and butter from the taxes I pay. There's plenty of business for everybody. Why kill each other over it? The funny part of the whole thing is that a man in this line of business has so much company. I mean his customers. I would rather be rich, affluent and greedy and go to hell when I die than live in poverty on this earth. You'd be surprised if you knew some of the fellows I've got to take care of. In this life all that I have is my word and my balls, and I do not break them for nobody. Vote early and vote often. When I sell liquor, it's bootlegging. When my patrons serve it on a silver tray on Lakeshore Drive, it's hospitality. We must keep the worker away from red literature and red ruses. We must see that his mind remains healthy. I'm a kind person. I'm kind to everyone, but if you are unkind to me, then kindness is not what you'll remember me for. All I ever did was sell beer and whiskey to our best people. Be careful who you call your friends. I'd rather have 4 quarters than 100 pennies. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.